Hello, welcome to Punky Flute. Today I am going to share with you the practice method for playing off beat. I think it's vital to play interesting rhythm to make your flute solos really cool. So I tried to practice with metronome a lot, and I also try and practice different rhythmic patterns so that I have more variety to do it on the spot. I really like practicing in 5 beats, so today's exercise is written in 5/4, but you're welcome to use any songs you're working on, or the chord progressions that you're working on would be really useful, I think. Today we are going to use a metronome marking 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's make it off beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's make it double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can tell that between playing on the beat, off the beat, going double, it just feels a little bit cooler each time, in my opinion. So the next exercise is in clave. And I used to live in Cuba, and they work a lot with 2/3 clave or 3/2 clave. And I think it's really important to do both. But for today's exercise, I've chosen to do 2/3 clave, and we are going to do it in 4/4 timing this time. So 4 beats in a bar, and we're gonna go 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. That kind of clave. So 1 2 3 4. So let's do double on the 2 part of the 2/3 clave. Double, single. Double, single. 1 2 3 4. Let's do all of it double. 1 2 3 4. And incorporating these clave rhythm or the off beats or double tonguing, you can make really interesting phrases, I think, a little bit different to usual. So if you like to practice in your own time, that'll be really fun, I think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.